Motion is described by displacement, by a thing no longer being in the same place that it was before, no longer being like it was before. There is change in position, x, y, z, change in rotation, measured in degrees, change in scale, 2x, 3x, 4x. In nature, there is change in seasons. There is growth, birth, and death. There is rain, snow, hail, and wind. There is change in state of matter. Motion and change are two sides of the same coin. In order to enact change, you must be in motion. In order to move, you must change. Humans are naturally attracted to movement because it represents change. An awareness of short and long-term changes in our environment is what permits our survival. When our environment changes, we must change alongside it. Yet in spite of our attraction to movement, we often fear change. We want to be in motion, but we don't want to move. This fear of change can render us stagnant, immobile. This fear is perhaps related to motion and change's relationship to displacement. Displacement means that for things to be in one place, they can no longer be in the place that they were before. Change moving forward means destruction of the past. This change, which leaves destruction in its path, is sacred. It touches everything, and without it there would be nothing. Every story is one of motion and change. Sometimes we move to enact change. Otherwise, change is an unnoticed result of movement. Even if we choose not to move, we will eventually be moved. Motion, change, and displacement are what drive the world forwards, for better or for worse. It is not something to be resisted, but rather to be accepted and exercised. If we don't change the world, it will change us.